Ever wondered how to make the perfect American pancakes at home? Do the golden stacks of fluffy goodness served at diners make your mouth water? Well, today is the day to unravel the secrets behind those heavenly bites. Imagine a Sunday morning. The air is filled with the sweet scent of vanilla and maple syrup, and a stack of warm, cloud-like pancakes is waiting for you at the breakfast table. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, the good news is, this dream can become your reality. All it takes is a simple recipe and a little bit of patience. Making American pancakes is an art, and like any art, it involves a process. A process that begins with gathering all the necessary ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 large eggs, 1.5 cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Start by mixing the dry ingredients. Take the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar in a bowl and give it a good whisk. This not only combines the ingredients, but also aerates the mixture, giving your pancakes that much desired fluffiness. Next, beat the eggs in a separate bowl until they're fluffy and pale. Add the milk and melted butter to this and stir well. Now comes the most crucial part of this recipe, combining the wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until they are just combined. Remember, overmixing is the enemy of fluffiness. A few lumps in the batter are perfectly okay. Now, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once it's hot enough, pour a ladleful of batter into the center of the pan. Wait for bubbles to form on the surface and then flip it over. Cook until it's golden brown on both sides. Repeat this process with the remaining batter. And there you have it, a stack of perfect American pancakes, golden and fluffy, waiting to be smothered in butter and drizzled with syrup. So, to summarize, the perfect American pancakes are just a few steps away. Start by mixing the dry ingredients together, then beat the eggs and combine them with milk and melted butter. Mix the wet and dry ingredients just until they're combined, and then cook the batter in a hot non-stick pan. Remember, patience is key, and overmixing is a big no-no. Now go ahead and create that perfect Sunday morning scene. Enjoy the process, savor the aroma, and most importantly, relish the fluffy golden goodness of homemade American pancakes. Because nothing beats the joy of making and devouring your own stack of pancakes. Happy cooking!